The Zimbabwe Defense Forces has moved to create a healthy distance between war veterans leader Blessed Geza and itself ahead of the March 31 public protest, in which their role will be a decisive factor by focusing on civilians wearing military uniforms. Sanab Namashoko, Auda Panapa Jins Iowa, the ZDF panguva inoi aiwa yoya panapa ichiti we are going kuno ataka vanhu vanenge vapfeka military uniforms musawateti one was subscribe like got on the bell like tipina mabudani kwa mchinzi panapa the news hawks. War veterans have of late been attacking President Emmerson Mnangagwa and demanding he should resign as he has dismally failed. The public perception is that war veterans enjoy the support of the army in this. Hence, no one among them has been arrested for their utterances. Geza, who is being hunted by police amid 4 criminal charges against him, including 2 of allegedly undermining the authority of and insulting the president and inciting public violence, was wearing military regalia on Tuesday when he announced planned demonstrations against Mnangagwa's government. In a bid to deal with the public perception that the military is behind war veterans like Geza and other ex-combatants, the army says civilians found using its uniforms for whatever reason will be prosecuted. In an uncertain political situation like the current environment, this creates room for plausible deniability for the army if something goes wrong. Plausible deniability basically refers to the ability of someone, especially in a chain of command, to deny knowledge or responsibility of an action, event, or their consequences, even if they were involved. By creating a situation where it is possible to convincingly claim ignorance or non-involvement. Ndomashuka tinoona kuti aiwa the ZDF yatora its position akati aiwa Bomshogeza akaonekwa akapfeka that military gear, and now the ZDF yabva buda akataura pachena kati aiwa musi 31 yes you can do zvamuda kuita but tikazoona vanenge vapfekawo military gear vanenge vaenda against mutemo. But the question yauya panapa vanhu vakabvunza vakati why is it they are taking action just because someone who is against the government is doing this? But mukanoona kuyouth league uku vakomana veZANU-PF wekuyouth league vanoonekwa kuti aiwa vatone mapictures akutoenda pasocial media right now vakapfeka the same regalia but nothing was imposed on them. Mbodzai mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Penya comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.